Lots of people have been asking for a crochet tutorial, so I thought I'd make myself some hair scrunchies. I've got plain old boring scrunchies, but I thought I would jazz it up with leftover bits of yarn. So I'm going to start by joining the wool to the scrunchie, and then I'm going to pull up a loop and yarn around the hook and pull through. Now this would be a single crochet in USA terms or a double crochet in English terms. So I'm going to do that all around the hairband till I meet back to the beginning. It's a bit difficult at first, to try and hold it flat, as it wants to sort of twist, so that you're keeping the top of the single crochets in line. And I'm crocheting over my beginning strand, save sewing in some ends at the end, and just do this all the way around. So you're hooking under the hairband, grabbing the yarn, pulling it up so you've got 2 stitches on the hook, yarn round the hook and pull through the 2. So under the hairband, grab your yarn, bring it back up through, 2 stitches on the hook, yarn round and pull through. That is a single crochet or a double crochet in English terms. I know it's quite confusing at first when you start to crochet, because there's USA terms and English terms, and it gets a bit confusing, but when you've been crocheting a while, it just comes natural really. Well, fast forward a little bit, because you don't want to watch me crocheting all the way around. So we'll fast forward and meet you at the end. Back to the beginning. So we're going to do a slip stitch into the first stitch. That's the first stitch. So to do a slip stitch, we just put the hook through the 2 top layer, yarn around the hook, pull through and then pull through again, and that's a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3. To chain, just yarn over the hook, pull through, that's 1, yarn over the hook, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. That's 3 chains. That's what gives us the height to go up for the next row, and that is going to be our first stitch. Now we're going to do triple in UK terms or double crochet in USA terms, and we're going to do 3 into each stitch. So we're going to class that as the first. Now to do that, yarn around the hook, go through the stitch, yarn through, pull through the stitch. You've got 3 stitches on the hook, yarn over the hook, pull through 2, yarn over the hook and pull through the 2, and that's a triple crochet or a double crochet. And we want 3 of those, so yarn round into the same stitch, yarn round, pull through, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. So now we have 1, 2, 3. So those are a triple in UK terms or a double crochet in America terms. Right, we want to do 3 in each stitch, so go to the next stitch. There, yarn round, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn round in the same stitch, pull through, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round in the stitch, back through, yarn round, pull through 2, pull through 2. So now we've got 1, 2, 3. And now we'll do 3 into the next stitch. So yarn round into the stitch, yarn round, pull through, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. 1, 2, me do that all the way round, so I'm gonna video up, fast forward, and I'll meet you at the end. Right, we've come to the last stitch, just this one stitch left. We're going to put 3 triple or 3 double crochets into that stitch. So yarn around the hook, into the stitch, yarn round, pull through, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. That's 1. Right, unfortunately the video didn't record me finishing the scrunchie off, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to finish off with this smaller version. So when we've done 3 triples or 3 DCs into each stitch, we then find the first beginning 3 chains we started with. Count 1, 2, 3. The hook in the first chain, yarn round, slip through the first and slip through the second. That's a slip stitch. Then we cut the yarn, leave about 3 inch tail. Yarn over the hook and pull the tail through and pull it tight. That will then close the stitch. And then we need a darning needle. There it is. A large wide darning needle. I'll get darning needle, threads tie, and then just weave the yarn through some stitches. Go one way, back the other way, back the other way. Won't unravel them. And then we can cut the yarn close to the stitch. Obviously this one's got a beginning yarn on the say I need to darn the end in on this one, but there's the scrunchie. Obviously when it's in the hair it's twisted a couple of times or 3 times, and then you get like a really nice effect, like a sort of crochet rose in the hair then, so it's be really pretty, better than the boring one. Because I do lots of sort of baby outfits, there's always yarn left over, so you can use up all like loose yarn. Like if you did like a little girl's cardigan and you had spare yarn and she's got longer hair, yarn over from a garment, and like you maybe crocheted a cardigan for a young child, you could then make her a scrunchie to match her cardigan, and that would look really nice. Yeah, they don't take long. They take anything between 10 minutes and half an hour, depending on the speed you crochet. And I actually used a 4mm hook and double knitting yarn. This one's got like a glittery sparkle to it. You can use a bulkier weight or a finer weight, but just make sure you use the correct hook to what the yarn suggests. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe. Thank you.